Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody to Dan here for 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are looking at a product made by Warmco. Now, this product that I have beside me here, this is the Handheld Fan H3. One of the reasons why I want to talk to you guys about this real quick and recommend it is because if you're looking for a product that is going to last you, not just for a couple of hours, but your entire day. So whether you're going to work, going to the gym, in between your home, work, wherever you go, and you just want something to keep with you at all times to keep you cool, from fitness to exercise and just everyday use. The H3 right here packs a 10,000 milliamp battery. This is a lithium ion packed device, meaning that this is going to give you a total runtime up to 36 hours. It does have 4-speed fans on it running up to 15,000 RPM. In addition to that, it has a charge time of up to 6 hours. So I'm going to bring you guys in for a closer look real quick so you can actually see what we are got going on. So first off, we have the battery right here with an LED display right on the front. And as we press this, it steps it down. Just so you guys can kind of get a better overall idea how this actually works. Go ahead and power that back off. And it is incredibly quiet. So if you're looking for something that's non-disruptive in your environment, especially when you're talking on the phone, listening to music, and you just want something to keep you cool.
This fan comes with a 2-in-1 cable. We can charge other devices from this fan, which is the perfect feature for me. It is very portable that you can easily put it in your bag.
This thing is absolutely phenomenal. And I really love the fact that it actually gives you a full lanyard, so that way you can put it on and keep it with you. So whether you're using a workout weight machine or you're jogging or a treadmill, hands down, this thing is pretty awesome. And especially the fact that you get 36 hours of runtime, there's not a better deal than you can get out of this. Besides, it also charges with USB Type-C, and it's compatible with rapid charging. So when you're ready to get that full 10,000 milliamp charge to give you that 36 hours of runtime, Warmco. Try it out because this works phenomenal. So again, if you're looking for that ultimate solution to give you that peace of mind, this thing is going to be ready to go. You will not regret it. Highly encourage, check it out for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. This is the Warmco Handheld Fan H3. Try it now.